and welcome back. Oh man, I'm excited for today's video because I am bringing to you the BoxyCharm and IPSY Battle of the Boxes. I'm super excited, super pumped. We are going to be diving into both boxes today and seeing what is inside and which one wins for the month of November. Oh, there was a change this month, you guys. So now the BoxyCharm is not $21 a month anymore. It is now $25. So it is the exact same price as the Glam Bag Plus, which now makes them equal. Before, BoxyCharm did have the upper hand. It was $4 cheaper, so it kind of sweetened the deal a little bit. I wish they would have stayed at 21, being quite honest. But yeah, anyway, so that is gonna make today's unboxing very even, so it is just gonna be purely based on contents. Who wins November, and not based on price. I think I want to start with the BoxyCharm box. I haven't unboxed a BoxyCharm in a minute on my channel. So let's do this. Oh, this month's box was actually quite a bit larger. I was surprised. I thought it was the BoxyCharm premium box because I have signed up for that one. I am on the wait list. It's gonna probably take a while to get off that wait list, but I signed up for that one and I was thinking, oh, they sent me the premium, but this is the regular $25 box. I think they just made it bigger because of the contents, possibly. Here is the pamphlet for this month with Dragon Beauty. I did hear that there is gonna be some Dragon Beauty coming into the next couple, I think it's premium boxes? I don't know, it may just be rumors, but we will find out, so it might be why she's featured down below there. But here is, of course, all of these stuff we're gonna be getting inside of the box this month, and the theme is Stellar. So that is card number 1. Right on top, this is not a first item, this is a tester. They are giving out, at least in my box, a sample of the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer. I did see that they were gonna start doing this because they are thinking of putting in foundation and concealer into future boxes, and you're supposed to kind of gauge where you're at in that upcoming product. So I have a feeling that there's gonna be a Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer coming in since they are putting in one of these so you can see which one you are. Well, I'll be testing this out later and seeing which one matches me when all of this is off. Ooh, but item number 1. We got some brushes here. Has the BoxyCharm logo. I think it's a brush collab they did. Man, these are massive. These are the BoxyCharm 2-piece brush set. There is a large multi-purpose powder brush and a precision foundation. It doesn't say which is which on here, it just says BoxyCharm. I'm assuming the larger one is meant for foundation just because you're gonna and whisk it all around your face. So I'm assuming the larger one is the precision foundation. It's kind of a funky handle too. You guys can see that. And the brushes feel like they're kind of dense but still have a little bit of a give, so they're not too stiff. It'll be interesting to try these out. I don't know, I don't own many of these kind of paddle brushes like this. I think I have one, which looks like this, that I got from Makeup Revolution. I liked it, so give those a shot. Oh, and these are $35, and they're also synthetic and cruelty-free. Then second up, we have the Kypris Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. Ooh. Not what I was expecting. I heard glow serum and for some reason I thought it was gonna be a highlighter. I was wrong. Wait a minute, why did I think that? It says antioxidant in the name. I don't know, I just read glow serum and I was like, oh, glow. But that's what the packaging of this one looks like. It says you use it morning and night and it is gonna, let's look into this, lavish the skin with nourishing amino acids and an array of soothing botanicals. Yeah. Oh my god, it's $90. That is an expensive bottle. I actually have a lot of serums at the moment, so I'm gonna be keeping this one sealed. I just want to show you guys the packaging, and I'll keep this one as a backup because I have so many serums right now and I can't use them all. I physically cannot use that many serums, so I definitely want to save this one so I keep it unopened. But it sounds good, so I'll definitely use this once I can. I just don't have too much open. Oh, then we got, looks like some masks. For the third item, it is the Pop Band Starry Eyes Pop Mask Set of 2. It has a value of $10, so each mask is $5. And it's a self-forming eye mask? That is so strange. I'm looking at the little picture down here. I mean, it looks so interesting. I wear an eye mask when I go to sleep. I have one of those cooling ones. Highly, highly recommend it if you have trouble sleeping and you also feel like you wake up a little bit puffy. I love that thing. I got it on Amazon and it helps me sleep so good at night. So it's interesting that these are gonna be heating. What's the difference? The self-heating pop masks will encourage circulation around the eye area, aid in depuffing and relaxing. It even says it's supposed to help ease migraines, soothe dry eyes, and support restful sleep. Warms up in 30 seconds. How long do you wear them for? The warmth will last for 20 minutes. Oh yeah, and it says you can either just lie back, relax with it, or you could fall asleep with it. I might actually try to use this one instead of my cooling eye mask when I fall asleep tonight, and then I'll let you guys know if I like that better or if I prefer the cooling. But that's pretty cool. I never thought of putting heat on my eyes. I don't know, I just always think like cooling. Gotta cool the face. Oh, you guys. Fourth up in the box. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Can this camera focus? Thank you. It is the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick. Dose of Colors. Can't deny it. I love them. They have some really good stuff, and their liquid lip formula is really good. So here's what it looks like, and I got the shade Nude Mood. Now, I haven't tried that much from Dose of Colors, but from what I have tried, I do really enjoy it. I have, I think, 1 or 2 other Dose of Colors liquid lipsticks, and I have 2 of their eyeshadow palettes, one being the Friendcation one, and that one is one of my all-time favorites. So they have some good stuff. But I mean, of course, I haven't tried everything, so I can't attest to it all, just the things that I have tried. But here's what Nude Mood looks like. Super pretty nude. Oh my gosh, right up my alley. I have to put this on my face right now. This red lipstick was looking good, but you know, I gotta try it on for you guys. That's my excuse. You guys want to see what it looks like, so let's wipe this away. You guys, I can't help it. I can't help it. I love a good nude. It dries down so quick too. It's already locked down on the lips, so I really like that. There's no waiting time for it to dry down. It just seals itself in and then it stays put all day. This is also a $18 liquid lipstick. Oh man. If you thought that was good, wait till you see this. We have one of the Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow palettes. Whoops, there it goes. This one is in Celestial Thunder. It almost looked like it had been swatched. I saw on the monitor and I was like, whoa, why is there pink on the outside? But it's the Celestial on the outside. There's the blue Celestial background over there too. I had to do a double take, but this palette looks so pretty. It retails for $35, which actually I think is pretty reasonable price point. I've been really wanting to try Dominique Cosmetics. I've heard great things about it. I'm gonna swatch these out super fast for you so we can see them. Man, you guys see that? Not even going back and forth, just. Ooh. Wow, that does get me very excited about dipping into this palette. I really want to dive into this pink and the orange and the blue. I need to think of a fun combination to do with that because those look really good. Oh man, but that was the last item inside of our BoxyCharm. That was really good. I'm not gonna lie. IPSY has a tough job here if they want to win for the month of November. Don't worry, I'll go over all the totals at the end, so that's coming. Let's now move on to the IPSY Plus. This is the month of November. Of course, we got ourselves a pamphlet again from IPSY. Their theme is Wild Side. And let's just go ahead and dive right into it with the first product, I see. We have the Illamasqua Hydra Veil Primer. They say that this is gonna be the ultimate time saver. It is both a hydrator and a primer to instantly moisturize and smooth the skin. It's a futuristic gel formula that absorbs quick. Okay, and it's 45 bucks. Illamasqua is a higher priced brand. Their lip liners were like 21 a piece, so kind of pricey. Whoa, that's like jelly in there. Need to make sure you guys can see this. Come on, camera. Oh, it's spilling out. That's so interesting. Look at the jiggle. Wow, I could sit here and just play with that all day. That is interesting. Let me scoop a little bit out. It comes out in little clumps. Very, very weird texture when you first dip into it. It kind of reminds me of those aloe vera gels, but a lot more clumpy when you first grab it. That's what it reminds me of. What's in this? I don't see aloe in here, but I do see alcohol, and that kind of has me a little bit like, in a smoothing, moisturizing primer, you put alcohol in it? Not sure how I feel about that. Wow, I put way too much and this is getting sticky. I know, I'm not really the biggest fan of sticky products on my face. Personal preference. My hands are also kind of sticky. I need to wipe that. I don't know, you can only tell so much by a primer by swatching it out on your hand and feeling it like that. You definitely gotta put it on the face to get a full idea. I'll be doing that first thing tomorrow to see if that works. Let's grab item number 2. This one I was actually able to choose IPSY Plus. Now you're allowed to choose one item for the box. So I got a couple selections and I ended up choosing the Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion. It has a value of $40. Looks like so. I've tried a couple Murad products and I did enjoy them. So I was like, all right, you know what? I'll give it a shot. I'll see how this one works. What really gravitated me towards this one though was it said that it was oil-free hydration for blemish-prone skin, which is exactly what my skin type is. It sounded good to me, so I was like, why not? I'll grab this one. Then item number 3 is by Gigi Gorgeous. It is the Six Sculpt Bronzer Duo in Turnt and Extra. Here is what the bronzer duo looks like, and you do get a good sized mirror in there. This has a retail value of $24. Now this is a limited edition IPSY exclusive. So Gigi Gorgeous did a collaboration with IPSY to come up with these products that is gonna be limited edition. It's gonna be on sale for just a little bit. Here is what those two shades look like. The colors do look actually really good. They don't look too orange or muddy. They look like some good colors. They definitely are on the light side, so I'm hoping that there are some other variations within this of a lot more different shades of bronzers. So let me know down below if you guys have gotten another variation than the Turnt and Extra bronzer duo. Then fourth up in the box, we have the Ciate London Dewy Sticks in Glow. This one has a retail value of $26. Looks interesting. Is it just shiny? Oh yeah, it's kind of translucent. Just has a bit of a glow to it. What is this? I thought this was a highlighter. Now I'm very confused. Glide this balm onto your cheekbones, brow bones, cupid's bow. Okay, so it is a highlighter, just a very natural one. I mean, can you guys even see that one? I put it right here. It's just such an interesting formula because when you touch it, it is very glossy. It's kind of like a gloss balm highlighter. It's interesting. I don't really have any highlighter down the bridge of my nose, so let's tap that here. I feel like it just makes me look a little bit shiny, which is not necessarily something that I want because I have very, very oily skin. So I don't want to add any more shine of that kind to the face because it just, like by the end of the night, I'm just shiny all over the face. So I feel like this kind of leaves me looking oily, shiny. Being totally honest, I don't know if I like that one. And then last item now. We got one more. We have the, and please let me know down below if you know how to pronounce this. Is it Dose or Douce? I tried looking into it and I'm getting mixed results. So you guys be my Google. But this product is the Punka Volumizer Mascara in black. Let's take a look at the wand here. Ooh. It has a retail value of $24. It just says it's supposed to be a volumizing false lash effect mascara that's supposed to deliver the drama and length without smudging, flaking, or clumping. Which, I mean, sounds good to me. It's all about the test though. All about how it wears. I will certainly be trying that out. Oh, and I almost forgot, in the IPSY Glam Bag Pluses, they are now putting in a bag for this month. This is the Glam Bag Plus bag, which is slightly larger than the Glam Bag Original, the smaller one. Looks like a good bag. Oh wow, this was hidden inside. That's a big tassel. I don't know how I missed that in there. It's just hidden. But those were all 5 of the IPSY Glam Bag items. Honestly, now it just makes it tougher and tougher because each box has 5 full-size products. They're both $25 each. There's no difference in that. It really only comes down to value and the products, you know, how I felt about them. So let me add up the values of both boxes. Whoo, that's a high price tag for BoxyCharm, $188. Let's do IPSY. Oh, BoxyCharm takes it this month for value. Don't judge me, I wrote it in lipstick. I calculated it out. So the BoxyCharm box has $188 value. That is, of course, you know, with the boost of the $90 serum that it had in there. So definitely helped bring it up with that one. The IPSY Glam Bag Plus had a value of $159. Honestly, those are 2 really, really great values for just paying $25. So I think both are really good. Getting down to just based on the products. Values aside, I have to say I think I like BoxyCharm a little bit more this month. It just had some products that just made me really excited about that one a bit more than the IPSY bag. What won me over was, I can't help it, the Celestial Thunder Dominique Cosmetics palette and the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. I got so excited about these two. These two were like, I was like, oh yes, I've been wanting these. So yeah, I think for this month, BoxyCharm took the win. Definitely took the win, at least in my opinion. I would love to hear your guys' opinion down below in the comments. Which one did you think won this month? Which one were you more excited about? So definitely leave me a little comment down below. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this battle of the boxes. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!